welcome back to Selena Thinking Out Loud. I hope you are well. Today we're going to be actually using this shade cloth I purchased from Amazon for my garden here. This is how it comes in the pack. And here's my garden here. As you can see, the sun is just starting to approach the veggies and my plants. So I want to make sure to give them sun protection. This covers 40 to 50%. Blocks 40 to 50% of the sun. So I'm going to open it up and show you what it looks like. All right, so I took the plastic off of it. As you can see, comes already folded as well. And it has these, if you want to get some clamps, you can clamp right into it to hook. And it's good for anything like shade for a patio or a backyard. But I use this because, as you can see, it provides sun penetration, but also sun protection. So I'm going to use this, and this came in various sizes. And as you can see, these hoops, I actually purchased these from the Dollar Tree. These are hula hoops, and I took off the sticker, colorful sticker for the hula hoop, and I pushed them down into my raised bed here, and so it forms this nice hoop action for this raised bed. Okay, so as you can see, I clipped the shade cloth on each side, just leaving a little bit at the bottom here. And I clipped it across the back here with some clamps. And you can buy these from Harbor Freight and other, hardware stores as well. Show you what it looks like. You can see through it, really. See how it still gives it the sunlight it needs, but also shade in there. So this is 40 to 50% sun blockage. If you're in warmer climates, you may want to look for a stronger shade cloth, maybe 60 or so. But I'm in a warm desert climate, but I have possibilities to shade it using my home. So if you don't have any shade, you have full sun, then you want to think about maybe getting a stronger shade cloth. Also has some veggies under here that I'm also just getting ready to pot soon. So I want them to get sun exposure, but not too much sun as well. So that is a straight neck squash, and that's a Boston pickling cucumber. So I wanted them to be out here to get the heat, but not so much intense sun, so they have their shade protection as well. Okay guys, I'm gonna take off this cover and see how it did, because this is the evening sun that I want them to get, and the sun has moved away from my area farther back, so they should be able to get this sun and be okay. So I'm taking it off, and they look great. They look like they survived. It really did well. It did protect them, which is I'm happy about. They don't look wilted or anything, especially this one that was in front. See, it doesn't look wilted. It's my cactus plants. So yeah, so this cloth is reliable. It will protect your plants from the sun. So you can find it on Amazon, and I'll leave it in the description of this video. All right, guys, take care of yourself. God bless. Bye-bye.